the new pavement, which goes down black, it'll turn gray. You know, for the streets and roads you drive on, you'll notice most all of them are gray, not black. And that's because the oils have fully escaped, and that pavement has totally hardened when you start to see it turning that gray color. It's ready to receive the seal coat and allow that material to soak into the pavement a little more than if you were to do it after it's first installed. If they go ahead and say, hey, yes, we do want to do that first year seal coat, we know through our experience over a long course of time what added value that's going to give to that pavement. And I think the perception a lot in the industry, especially on, you know, from a homeowner or the residential side, is, you know, we're just out there trying to sell seal coat and we just want to paint your driveway black to make it look good. And that's not the case at all. Any way that we can help prevent water penetration, you know, UV light, keep the weather, keep the elements off of this pavement. That's what we're doing with the seal coating application. And now, you've got to have a reliable contractor that's actually putting down sealer that hasn't been entirely diluted with water, because when you do that, you are basically just putting black water over your driveway, and then that's not getting you any protection at all. It may look black for 3, 6, 9 months, but it's really not adding any value. It's not interlocking with the pavement, and that's why we put the latex additive into it to give it a little bit more hardness. That's why we put the heavy sand load in it, so you're actually getting an interlock of those sand particles that actually is going to hold that sealer together on your driveway. So on the residential side, I mean, I've run into this for 15, 18 years now, that people say they're sealing or having to have their their driveway seal coated annually, and it's because it's what whoever they've had do it, it's not correct, and it's washing off, or it's fading, or it's not performing in that 3 to 5 year life cycle span as it should be. So that's, if you're seal coating or having your driveway seal coated every year, you're getting taken advantage of. I can tell you that. We're interested in doing it right, protecting your investment, you know, after that first year. If we're doing it right and the driveway's installed correctly and the weather elements aren't absolutely crazy and we don't see anything out of the ordinary, I mean, it's more of a 5-year life cycle than it is closer to that 3 years. So after that first seal coat, it's really about every 5 years is all you really need to be thinking about your driveway, if you've got somebody reputable out there putting the seal coat application down as they should be, with the materials they should be using.